Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Polymarket using a PC. Let's get started. Polymarket is a website where people make predictions about real-world events like politics, sports, or current. You don't just guess, you use money to back your prediction. If you are right, you earn money. If you are wrong, you lose the money. To use Polymarket, you need a crypto wallet on your PC. Open browser and go to MetaMask. Create a wallet and safely save your recovery phrase. This wallet will hold your money. Now Polymarket uses USDC, which is a digital version of US dollar on the Polygon network. Buy USDC from an exchange like Coinbase. From here you can send it to your MetaMask wallet using Polygon. After that, open Polymarket on the PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on deposit at the top of your screen. Move the USDC into Polymarket. Now browse the market and click on a questions that interest you. Inside the market you will see two options, yes or no. Click yes if you think it will happen. Click no if you think it won't. Enter how much money you want to use and click deposit or buy. Confirm the transaction in the MetaMask. You can see your active predictions under my position. If you change your mind, you can sell early before the market ends. When the market closes, if your prediction is correct, you automatically receive your winning. And that's it. That's how to use Polymarket on a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.